In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate for your customers using our user-friendly system. Creating an estimate is a straightforward process that can help streamline your workflow and improve communication with your clients. So let's jump right in and get started. First, open the system and navigate to the new option. It's typically located in the main menu or toolbar, depending on how your screen is set up. Once you're there, you'll need to select Estimate from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll begin the process of drafting your estimate. This feature is specifically designed to help you provide clear and professional quotes to your customers. By giving them a detailed breakdown of costs up front, you'll help manage expectations and encourage transparency in your business dealings. Now, it's time to enter your customers' information. Entering accurate customer data is crucial not just for the estimate itself, but for maintaining an organized client database. In this section, you'll need to include their name, contact information, and any other relevant details that will allow you to tailor the estimate to their specific needs. Make sure this information is up to date to avoid any confusion or miscommunication later on. Next, you'll input the items or services that you're estimating. Begin by listing each item or service along with its description. The description is important because it provides clarity on what each item or service entails, something your customers will appreciate. Make sure to include the quantity and the price for each item. This should be calculated automatically by the system, but always double check to ensure accuracy. Having this level of detail will help your customers understand exactly what they're paying for and will reduce the likelihood of disputes down the line. Once you've got all the customer and item information inputted correctly, it's time to save and send your estimate. Saving your work is essential as it allows you to keep a record for future reference. Additionally, it safeguards against any unforeseen technical issues. With the estimate saved, find the send option to deliver the estimate to your customer. Sending it electronically is often the most efficient and eco-friendly method. It not only speeds up the process, but also ensures that there's a clear, time-stamped record of when the estimate was sent. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created and sent an estimate. This process not only helps to keep your business operations smooth, but also enhances the trust and professionalism you show to your clients. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to optimize your workflow.